Boom! We back, baby. First things first. I wanted to check a little thing. Let me see. Boom, boom, boom. No. Is it here? No. Here? No. Now. Post should be here, I guess. But it's not here though. Okay. But what's the name? Me 6. There you go. Wanted to check something real quick. My servers. This one. Like, since I paid for this, what I want to do is add the alert. Just change which channel this goes into. So I just want to throw this patch notes general. Which general is this? Huh. That's an issue, isn't it? How do you know which one is the general? Which general one? You know? Can I rename it? Maybe to GitHub General, so I can find it. Let's go back here. I guess it's this one. We'll see where this goes. Like, this one is right below notifications. Yeah, it has to be this one. Alright, there we go. Now, as for the plan today, well, we have a bunch of these things, but what I actually want to do, okay, fixing the hazmat suit is going to be number 1, just so I get that out of the way. So let me check how we can do that. I guess I'm gonna check outfits. Yeah. Okay, hazmat. Hazmat blue. Consume shroom. So let's check this ability, because it needs to do something a little bit different. Convert shrub to energy. Yeah. we're gonna check this, and then we're gonna, well, check what this does. So we want to do, I guess I want to just like hit shrubs in the AoE, right? Unit manager dot damage units manager. I think I have this here. Yeah, damageables in range. Guess I could also do some pulling. Okay. Biome info. Let's check this thing. Can I just do public bool? Not seed, using pool. And then we're gonna do none. We need this none, and then base shrub, right? And then here we're gonna do used pool. Oops. Equals to none. Okay. I'm gonna do public void spawn base shrub. And then we want to create a pool for these. El pulo. Why do you need fire generic shrub though? I think this should be okay. Shrub biome 1. Doesn't seem like I'm even using these, so let's add all of them. Let's do this. We're gonna rename this to current biome shrub. And then we're gonna do biome 1, shrub. Let's do it like that. Okay. These are all biome 2. Biome 3. Biome 4. Okay, well, in case we need it. So now, what we can do, let me do this real quick. Ha-cha-cha, boom. Can this work? Okay. So now I can do a switch statement. Switch on that shit. We're gonna add missing cases as soon as it pops up. There you go. Yeah, this is basically where I also want to have all the shrubs as a list. I'm gonna kind of do two things at once. I'm gonna shrub. This is what I want. I'm gonna have a list of shrubs, right? Boop. All shrubs. There you go. So this can kind of hold everything that needs to be here, and then I can pull the thing easily. Get this cute baby out of here. Default size 400. I mean, I guess that does make sense, just to have everything be working from the start. Right. Shrub biome. What I want it to look. Right. So this is a shrub biome 1. No. This is. Oh, it is shrub biome 1. So yeah, we also need a vector to spawn position, just position, right? Anything else? I don't think so. So then I would do well, let's do the easy ones first. Master object pooler. So we're gonna do this. There we go. We're gonna get shrub biome 1, right? And we're gonna spawn it on position. And then we're also gonna do shrub.add. Nope. All shrubs.add scrub. Really? Is it a problem if I do this? I guess not. Can I just do this? Piss. I guess I don't have this thing. I don't know why this is like that. Can it have more than one? Maybe. Who knows? This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. Let's do a little bit of saving. Okay. Where was I? Right. Here, so I could just do biome ID. This one isn't even going to be called, but I guess we can still leave it in. Copy. Ba 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 da ba ba. Ba ra. Ba 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 da ba ba ba. Do do la. Do do do. Do do la. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Bra na ba. Ba da. Do 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 do. Do do la. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do do do. Do do do. So here we're going to do if. There we go. Otherwise, we're gonna do this. Because as far as I know, this does not collect garbage. So we're gonna clean it up a little bit. Wait, I don't need this one anymore. This one just gets deleted, right? Yes, up. But I need to still get my shrub out of this, right? So I'm gonna return shrub. And then can this work? That's my reaction to computer not working. Okay, boom, there we go. So now the shockwave, we can do the same thing we do on the unit manager. We're gonna do that for the shrubbery. Where is it? Shrub manager. Okay. There we go. Okay. Oh, right. Just need this part. There we go. Don't need this. Don't need this. Zero. Don't need you. Okay. Damage shrubs in range. And then we save you, and here we're gonna do shrub manager dot instance dot damage shrubs in range and do 0 and damage stats this dot transform dot position and circle size. So I think that makes more sense down here. And if you create shrubs first, it should first create them and then already consume them. I think that's gonna feel really cool if that, if that ever happens. Okay. So this feels like this should already use or like pool the thing now. But I guess let's find out. Wait, let's check the fertilize. Spawn fertilize. Place shrub, and this just uses the logic. Alright. Check if this works now. Cooler. So is this thing cool? There's no shrubs here, so that's a good sign. Yeah. Okay. So now if we do this with a wait. Okay. This thing with this and this and a ton of AoE. This thing. Then we're also gonna burn the thing. You know, as fast as we can. We'll just do this. Okay. So I'm wondering how fast the second time around this happens. Okay. Let's speed the thing up. So what was the thing that took so much time? Okay. Let's go to the next room then. Okay. Because it seems that where is it? This seems to be the big issue, right? So what if I just return directly, right? you go. Okay. Because it seems that logging the strings was the big issue because of the errors. Okay. Well, that seems to be fast. Yeah, something definitely happens, but like it's nowhere close to what it was before. Still instantiating a lot. Really? Why? Why, my guy? Why do you do this? Is my mouse not working? Hello? Well, all of these are enabled, which is concerning. Huh. Yeah, that's not good. So let's try that again. Default size is 1, max size is -1. So why do you delete? Oh, it's because they get destroyed is the problem, right? Oh my god, really? This is one of those things that doesn't make much sense to me. Like, can both of these happen? Isn't there a reason that this is a... Oh, whatever. So let's see if this gets correctly pulled now. There we go. And still needed a ton of time though. We need to do some resetting on shrubs if they're pullable, right? So if pullable, health equals max health. Then we're gonna do oh, let's do this. So what doesn't work about this? Seems that this should just be okay. Oh boy. Let's see. There's definitely a lot of instantiation going here, which makes sense because the pool is not created yet. Okay. So what was the thing that needed so much time here? Just setting objects active? Really? What is logging strings to console little bit? Okay. Strawberry instance has pixel size texture property, which are not supported. Okay. What does that mean? What are you even saying? Where's my material? Immaterial. Mm-hmm. Where do you see texel size ST property up in this enemy material? Can I copy this thing? When was this? That was like 2 years ago. let's try that, I guess. Doesn't have that though. Blending mode. What's the other one? So there's no solution to this thing, or am I seeing something wrong? Main text st property. Okay. How do you know that though? I guess I don't need this thing. Right? I don't need this, I can just remove it just to make the thing a little bit cleaner. Oh, what do you want, my guy? Would be nice to just not have those bugs, because those are gonna fill up the console for no reason. What is this? What is this? Where do you come from? Ugh. Okay. Wait, but this goes to shit with this thing. As if the helpers don't exist yet. We're doing the best we can. Well, either way, if I make these objects pulled, it's gonna increase the performance with this crazy build a lot. So that's a good sign. Whatever. So we still have a ton of instantiation happening, right? Because it's the first. I don't know what this is about, but okay. 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 What is this shit? Like, I don't know if this is gonna be a problem. The annoying part is that this is bottlenecking the performance, but I don't know exactly by how much. This is the thing that I've been reading before. So what is this though? I don't get it. Is it here? Oh. Is that all I need to do? Would be pretty cool. I'll just make sure it works first. That doesn't work. it seems that I do need to use that thing, right? Okay. Okay, so what if I do the other thing? Yeah. Okay. I don't get this. Would love to not have this be logged 20 billion times per frame. Oops. But I guess we're gonna have to live with it for now. What is this then? Thinking like, can I just, you know, disable that thing? This is a problem that there's so many things that are working together. It's just not healthy. Ah. But like this does happen. So I have a problem with this one. But this one is not a problem, I guess. Can I do if this not enabled? So this just seems that it triggers when, because I kill with the melee attack that still interacts with the shrubbery, with an actual collider. I guess that's the problem. Opa. Opa. Right. seems to be working fine, right? Okay, so let's kill the player and let's load with the blue hazmat suit, because that's the one that's misbehaving a little bit. Let's see if it's unlocked. Boom. So let's check that this thing works now. So convert energy, nearby shrubbery into energy. And what does it do? If you have enough energy, resume because there's no enough of ghosts, no one knows. Ah! Crap. I did not confirm it. Oh no, no. Oh, we didn't. Oh no, we didn't. Boom. Bzzap. Bzz. Bzzap. 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 Okay. Okay. Boom, perfect. Okay. So I can log that thing as fixed. Fix the electric hazmat suit ability. There you go. Shrubbery is now cooled, which should help with performance when you are spawning a lot of shrubs. There you go. Okay. Boom. And just like that, in 2 hours I've managed to fix one bug. But yeah, I did make the whole pooling system for shrubs, which was something that was giving me issues in the past. One thing though that I have noticed is that the thing is misbehaving a little bit. Let me see if I can recreate that bug before I move on. I'm pretty sure I know how to recreate the thing, right? So we're gonna need this, and we're gonna need a little bit of this. Ba-dow. Rabba-dow. Rabba-dow. Yo, that's a lot of boosh. Okay. If these things get burned, and then I spawn new ones, like if they get burned up, right? Just wanna listen for it a little bit. Okay. And then we spawn more. Okay, yeah, so that's not good. Oh, where's this? Oh, best. Oh, yeah. Ram pa ram pam pam pam. This could also probably be handled by a manager, not by every single burnable unit having a core team. Wait, is this still being used though? Yeah. Yeah, it is used. I could probably fix this to be a what's it called? To just everything just happen in the update. Mm. What if I just do... And I just did this? Seems like that might be the only thing that I need to do. Boom. That's how I feel about that. I need a dev button that just finishes the room, just so I can avoid that bug. Holy shit. Okay. So we need a little bit of this, and we need a little bit of this. Okay. Okay. Bonk. I'm a bitch. It still ain't working, chief. El Shrubbo. Okay. Now, this should work. So we need this. And we need this. Oh. Wrong bullet. When you're good, you're good. Oh shit! Boom. Okay. Okay. It's time to go to HQ and start working on the new missions. Boom. Look at this dumbass. So, first I want to fix the images for the missions. Ah, should have finished the mission. Now I only have the one. Ba-da-da-da-da. There we go, mission complete. It's that easy to do the thing right. Get in there! Get in there! One of these days when this game is gonna be close to finish, I'm just gonna spend a day playing it. Maybe a couple of days. You know? Thank you, kind sir. I'll just finish all of them so I can have a nice look at things, how they should look. I should really have a save file that has everything unlocked, just so I can... or I guess I could add this to that to just unlock everything. Like, not unlock stuff, but unlock everything. You know? Hey, goodbye. The infamous mission number 7. Okay, so we have this thing unlocked. So now we need to fix these images. mission point. What? That's all I need to do, I think. Methanks! I think that's it, actually. So this looks correctamundo. Now I want to make it just with little dots so it's easier to read, perchance. Is it gonna be easier to read? Well, that's for me to find out. So just the regular ones, which are these. These we want to change these shitters. And a 2, and a 1, 2, 3, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 7. There you go. How big are these? Actually have. Yeah, that's how much space we have. So if I make these bigger. Bigger. If I make them bigger. Wait, that doesn't seem right. Bigger. Like this. What am I? Where am I? Like this? No, it seems like this, right? The only two that don't have. I could kind of add, you know, images in them. Who needs me? Yeah. Click. You kind of immediately know them, you know, is what I'm thinking. Or am I doing too much? Let's do this. Boom. Like here would be like an egg. You know? We can do just one as a test, and then I can still do the whole thing differently, you know? Alright. So the number 7 is essentially scary eggs. Although I'm gonna change it. That's cool. Yeah, maybe just remove this one, right? Having a little bit of a hard time figuring out how to go about this one. Nah. I feel like I was closer with this. No, something like that. Where do I have this? Ah, here it is. Okay. Let's actually check that part as well, because I might be able to just make it bigger. Okay. Okay. Okay, back to it. Holy shit, I exploded! Boom! Alright. Okay. Okay, and then in the second biome, we're gonna try to do the thing that I wanted to do in the first one. And then we're gonna let people decide what they think. Maybe. So boom, boop, boop, boop. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a 5. 6. 7 and 8. Right. Okay. Oh, come on, brother. One of these days, shit's gonna stay up. Not like it matters, I'm freeing to myself, but you know, why not? Keeps me motivated, keeps me focused. It's good shit. Okay. Also, this thing should be above, which is slightly annoying. Can I... Is this this? Is this this? This? Or is this not this? So I would need to place this. You shit, son of a mother, son of a bitch. So if I just place this outside and then back in when we deselect it. Well, that should be easy enough, right? Mission select point. Open sesame. Level selector. I surely have it. Selector object. El selector object. Wait, where's this positioned? Just below. Just so we do selector dot parent dot set parent dot transform set parent. There we go. And then we set just 2 spots up, right? Will this be a problem? Might be. You know, let's check it again. Check. So just this needs to be on this dot parent and then back here. So we just do this dot parent. Right? And then I mean, I don't even need to do this, do I? No, I don't think so. It seems like that I can just leave it outside. Leave it outside, leave it outside. Let it live outside. Like a dog. A big dog. Ba-da-ba-da-da-da-da-da. Cuckoos. Cuckoos. Okay. You know, at least I'm having fun. What's the time? Time is good. You little shit. Did I not save you? Oh. Well, okay, so what I need to do as well is set it as boom, and then selector object dot set dot transform dot sibling set as last sibling. Boom! Just like me. That's quick little lore, developer lore. I am the third child. Okay. And the last one as well. You son of a bitch. What is it? Did this work? As last sibling You know what? Screw it. Boom! How do you like them apples? I don't understand why it's not working immediately. Because it doesn't exist yet. Right. Well, this will work, and this is like, who cares? It's performance negative. It doesn't matter. Okay? It's fine. Boom! A thing that was annoying me for days, for years, probably even. Like at least a couple of months, you know? Let's give it a few months. It's been fixed. This was really Like, it was just annoying that this appeared in the back. Another one bites the dust. Fixed the issue that made mission names appear below mission points in the mission select. There we go. Boom! Boom! Map still has meaningless choices. Son of a bitch. It does, doesn't it? Ignore damage decrease. This suit is so strong, who cares? Make mission 7 easier by removing one of the evolutions and use that. Yes. No! Is it done? I don't think so. So let's go to our missions manager. What's a menagerie? Menagerie. Menagerie? What is it? Is that like collection of captive animals frequently without a capture display? So it's like a zoo, but fancy, right? What is this? Okay, let's just move on. So that's mission numero 6. Starting evolutions, we're gonna do evolve eggs. Is this the problematic one? Well, hello there. Yeah. Biome specific what? Critter. No, this ain't the problematic one. You know, that's how I feel about that. Hello, Mr. Pilot. So this one, overgrowth spurt, evolved eggs. Evolved eggs. Oh, critters and drones. Yeah. Outta here. Yeah, out of here. Wait, we're gonna do copy. Boom! And then we need mission number 28. 28 is on the block. Mission 28. Evolved eggs. We're gonna say no to evolved eggs. And that's it. Is it? Did I change the right one? Yeah. So now, these are challenges, are they not? Challenge. We have our first challenge mission. Volatile projectiles. Winged. Wow. Okay, let's just paste this a bitch in here. And this is gonna use the shroom biome. Right? That's about it. Do challenge missions have heroic versions? I don't think so. I think I was like, no, I don't need them, right? And then I didn't add them. Look at this dumbass, it doesn't have. Oh my god. Do I want them though? This is the question. I mean, I can just do another one. So this is a challenge mission blah, and then that can be blah plus, right? So like here, you know, I could do boom. Just do this and make it a shroom biome, right? Changelog time. Mission 7 in the shroom biome has been nerfed, has been made easier by removing one of the evolutions from it. But this same mission is now available in the challenges. Now the thing is, do I want some other evolution to go along that shit? Because it is mission 7, right? So it should still be hard-ish. I mean, does it have to be? Who knows? So 4 eggs per second, and critters or maggots can become critters, right? I mean, we could add the egg one, right? Like this one, 10% chance to spawn an egg on that. How would that look? This and this maybe, you know? Let's try that. You know, I wanna try this with a normal outfit. You know what, it was fine, but whatever. Let's just stick with it now. Now that I've made a whole mess of it. Boom. Here we go! Okay. So we said this one and could be this one. Ooh, spaghetti maretti. And I don't know. And this one. Seems good. AoE. Yes, please. Can I please? Yes. Let's make it like this so the game actually works. Pierce and AoE. Choich. Into a question mark? Nah. Wanna save those question marks for later. Boom! Okay. Ooh. Hello. Ooh. More electric. Well, how convenient. Do I need this one though? Like, this one seems like a whatever, you know? I mean... let's remove this one. Easy. Ooh la la. Oh, that's good. Sure. I don't mind that. Lots of AoE. You know what? Make these... I'm gonna make all of these bugged. We can do it later, I guess. Let's try to play first without the bugs and then get in there and just bug the whole thing up. Also, I'm immortal, which does help, so let's turn that off. Bonk. Pierce. I don't care much where I'm going. Okay. Let's give me this. Ugh. sure. That's quite trash. You know what? Let's do a little bit of this instead. Wah, 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 wah. Okay, let's turn this on. I feel like... Is this killing them? It is, okay. Shit! What is this? Some garbage. You know, boom. Bunch of range. You know what? No, it's just shit. Bye. Boom. Okay. Ah. You know, I'm starting to feel the heat a little bit. Owie! Okay, so let's make these run settings. Let's make these bugged. So 1, 2, 3. The first 3 things, I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. So this is essentially now a bugged version of it. Right. So let's see if this is, you know, considerably, if this is hard. Yikes. Yikes! Brother! Oi, 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 oi. So it's still, oh my. Please! Please! Stop! So, okay. What the shit is this? Please! Let it stop! Holy fuck, I'm dying. Brother! Yikes! Okay, let's try this from the very beginning. Like I'm sure if I would have if I have a little bit more AoE, that would be fine, right? Holy shit! Mission manager. Missions manager. Holy bejesus, that was intense. Show me mission 7. Let's add that shit. Where is it? That's like one of the first ones, no? I think it's this one. 27. Is this the right one? It is the right one. Is this the right one? It is the right one. Funk so, brother. So that's 20, so 72. Now we need mission 28. Mission 28, searching for mission 28. 72. 72. We're gonna make it bugged. El Bago. And apply. So it's definitely a little bit harder. I think I'm pretty fine with this, so I'm just gonna do. But this same mission is now available in the challenges. Has been nerfed. Has been made easier by changing one of the evolutions from it, but the original mission is now available, but the previous version of this mission is now available in the challenges. It's definitely harder, right? The one that makes the big dude spawn is just a big no-no. This one might just be spicy, right? Run settings, and we just do bap bap bap. Show it ain't true. Okay. Let's do a little bit of playing. Get out of there. Boom. Okay. AoE. AoE. Like if we can just do this, and then another one on top of it. Where do we go? Where do we go now? That's a choice. I'm gonna fix the choices. Like the choice is not that frequent anymore, but it still happens. Should be a simple enough fix. Whee! Snakers. Snakers. Overkill. Oi 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 oi. Oi 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 oi. Let's just go for bullets then. Wait, bullets have been nerfed. What have I done? Have they been though? Huh? Casual little afternoon, morning dying. I need more damage on one thing. Boom. Easy. AoE, Rango. A friend of mine played a ton of this shit. He says, save events for later. Boom! Oh shit. That was on me. That was my mistake. Uh-oh. Yo, what the shit? Stop, please. Oi, 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 oh shit. My god, he's so good. Oh, there's more crap on it. Okay, okay, wait, the maggots are actually good for me. Boom! Careful. Hold it. Hold. Yes. The situation not getting worse, is it? No. Oh shit. It is now. Oh no. What the? No! What have I done? Jesus. Had to turn to Slovenian there. Shit. Ooh, spicy. But like, we had this as a normal one. You just have to not shoot at the wall, right? It's not as insane. But yeah, these three being spicy is definitely spicy. Eh. Wait, why is it? Why is it happening so much though? It's 20%, and they can spawn eggs. I mean, yeah, if you just kill them in the middle of the room, if you don't go near the edges, you're gonna be fine. Yeah, this seems okay. The normal one was just trivial, so I think this is a fair enough challenge. Challenge. What is this? What is this? Boom! Dead! There's another one. Boom! Why is this? Why is it showing the ceiling? Look, phone, I'm here, okay? Look. Look, look. Am I too low? Why is it zooming in? Hello? Yeah. See how much range you have still? And you're zooming in like I'm, you know, you feel me? Okay, anyway. Music back up. For anyone that's watching, I hope you're enjoying the tremendous amount of quality content. What's next then? This is done. Add stamps to the mission select. So this was an idea. What was the idea? Add them below? That might have been the place. I'm gonna check it. Boop. Would be nice to know here already. It's kind of annoying for you to have to go in. Like I could definitely add them here. Ooh. Can I add them? Like how big are they? How big are the stamps? Stampo. El stampo. They're 16 by 16 on. Or nar. Well, let's check, shall we? I can just do this and then do a stamp. Where's my outfit stamp? What are those called then? Outfit heroic. Oh. Boom. Right? Set native size. And then we would color this, you know, like this. Or something. Let's give this a parent. Let's make it wide to shit. Oh, oops. And then we're gonna do a horizontal layout group. What are you doing? There's not enough space. I mean, that's 10 of them. That looks ugly as shit. Cringed a little bit. It looks so bad. I mean, what if I make this like smaller little icons, right? Now this looks shit because I've just made them smaller. Like I would actually draw a smaller version of them, which is not a big deal. Because there's just 10 stamps. There's just 10 stamps, brother. So, do I do just like cha-cha-cha. Ra-ra-pa-pa-pow. Boo. Okay, chill. Hey, he went crazy with it. Right. I'm using the wrong colors. Ra-pa-ra-pa-pa-pow. Ra-ra-pow. Like I could also have them be, I don't know. What if I make more, you know? This is getting pretty crowded. A little bit on the crowded side. Because I was kind of thinking that when you select it, you're gonna, you know, above these outfits, you're gonna have a stamp notifying that you still are missing the stamp for that outfit, you know. It's also gonna be much cleaner because, why? Because this whole selection screen is gonna be a lot cleaner later on as well. Because I'm not gonna have the starting setup. Right now I have this crap. I'll just research everything that I have. Okay. I mean, it doesn't look the worst, to be honest. So what if I change the color of like a couple of them? And then let's say later on we have even more of them, right? And we just put them in 2 lines, right? I probably want to have here be able to also open the stamps, right? Let's copy you just as a thing. Why do I have so many here? These are, I guess, just versions. But yeah, this whole thing is gonna be way cleaner. It's not gonna be so much stuff here. You're just gonna have the outfits, maybe the mag mods, but maybe these can also be something that you get. Maybe these also don't have to be like a starting item. I mean a mag mod. Maybe this can just be a gear, right? Just something that changes. So essentially you would just choose the outfit, and then mag mods can also be presented to you separately. So this is essentially then just a... Brother, please. Dude, my back hurts now. What the hell is that? That was some powerful air. So yeah, essentially you'll just have outfits here, so I can make this screen a ton cleaner. So essentially you'll always have the my God. You're gonna have the outfit info on the side and then just outfit select here. Another thing that kind of scares me, I mean, yeah, I can, like, I just checked that I can make essentially 20 outfits and it still looks fine. So I guess that's pretty good. I guess that's pretty good. Yeah, but this thing, essentially, here's a lot of polish that I need to do at this point. Do I start working on the starting setup switch? Because... Because what? Come on. Come on, babe. Starting setup. Like, I can just change this thing, right? Show me starting setup menu. We need HQ. Where is it? Boom. And then up in here. Old but less old. Old. And now I'm gonna have another one. This is this one. Oh. Old, but less old. Yes. So we don't need this, right? And then this thing would just always be active. Who made this? You should be hanged. There you go. Okay. Grid, motherfucker. Grid. Okay. And then, how big is this? Not 100. It ain't 100, let me tell you. But we can have a little bit more now. We were given a gift of space, you know? You know? And then this thing could go bye-bye over here. You know, and then this can always be opened. That's what I'm thinking. And then also the, not this thing, what is this? This is old again. I'm old. So this is like just on top of everything. Like at best you're gonna have 2 extra mechanics. But what if you have 3? Well, shit, I don't know. Even this is kind of getting out of hand. A touch. Right? Yeah, I don't know. Might be that I just need to leave this in. Extra mechanic info. I should always be able to show more info if I'm showing outfit info, right? So then I can do the same thing when you're in the magazine browser, because it's kind of a problem because you can't look at the extra mechanic info in there. So might be good to just add this as something that you can always do if this info thing is opened. No, boom, 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 boom. So I probably still like this then. Just to have it here. And I can just add it as an extra thing in the game as well. That's probably okay. I'm gonna do a little bit of a push. So commit before starting to change setup selection. Boom. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it at here. I kind of need to think about this a little bit, and I have to go piss. Say hello to my kid. I also don't have a lot of time anymore, so I think it's a good stopping point. But yeah, I might just tackle this thing tomorrow then, and then just start to try to finalize this whole thing. Then maybe make a new build. So make this starting setup change, which is gonna include this menu, and then also the starting setup selection before you start a mission, which we're just gonna have another scene for that. And then I also want to add new missions. So I'm gonna do, I have starting setup split here. I'm gonna do add random mission to each biome, add mission with ever increasing difficulty to every biome. Oops, boom, there we go. Okay, I think this is it for now. Some things are a little awkward. The way I set mission images with threat level, because that means the threat level is tied to the image of the mission. So that's gonna be interesting. Maybe I should make missions have specific points and then I can assign them there. That's probably gonna make the most sense. And then I can just use generic ones. So yeah, do the split mission point images into actual mission infos. Because otherwise this is just gonna be, it's gonna be hard to track. The mission difficulty is gonna be all kinds of whack, so I think this is gonna be better. Anyway, I need to go piss, so I'm gonna end it here. Thanks everybody for joining in, or watching it later. If you like what you see, you can wishlist the game on Steam. And yeah, other than that, I wish you a good week and I hope to see you tomorrow. Peace!